Hello and welcome, I'm Dr. Farah, and in this video I'm going to show you how to model fluid flow over a square obstacle. In this model, water enters the domain from the inlet and leaves at the outlet. And now a strip boundary condition is applied to all solid surfaces and walls. Let's get started with COMSOL Multiphysics. For the start the model, click on Model Wizard. In this model we have 2D dimensions, so we select 2D. For the modeling fluid flow, we open the fluid flow and we select a turbulent flow and the turbulent flow epsilon. Okay. In this model, we have a steady state simulation, so we select stationary. The first step is creating the domain, so right-click on Geometry 1, select the rectangle, and our width is 5, and the height is 0.5. Okay. Now we create the square, so right-click on Geometry and select a square, and the side length is 0.25. Okay. Here we use center, and for x we use 2.5, and for y we use 0.25. Okay, click on build. Okay, now right click on Geometry 1, select Boolean partitions and select difference. For the object we use our domain, and for subtract we use our square. Okay, and now click on build. Now select materials, right click on materials, add material from library, and here we use liquid. So from the liquid and gases we use water as a fluid, so add component. Okay. Now right click on turbulent flow and select inlet. Our inlet is 1 meter per second, and for outlet we use pressure or relative pressure, and our pressure is 0 for the outlet. Okay. And now let's move to mesh 1, and we use coarse mesh, and now click on build. Okay, it is our mesh. Okay, click on stationary and compute the model. Okay, it is our velocity distribution. As you can see in this area, we have higher velocity because we have obstacle here.